Hi everyone, I'm Lawrence Lai, co-chair of our outreach committee at SODA Foundation. My other co-chair is from Intel, Shane Wang. He's not here in China. I hope everyone had a fantastic day today. I really enjoy a lot of talks and everything, learn a lot of things. So I have just a quick talk about SODA Foundation. You probably already heard, talks about the, SODA from Steven's talk and Sunil's talk. So hopefully you get some idea of what SODA is. But I'd just like to provide more information to you, just in case you feel interested, want to engage with us, and explain where we can collaborate. Steven probably already mentioned SODA Foundation is an open source project under Linux Foundation, right? And we're focusing on data storage management. So it's typically as a Linux Foundation project, we have a kind of organization similar to many other Linux Foundation projects. So I have a governing board on top, overlooks everything, and then underneath you have very important have a technical oversight committee focus on driving the roadmap of technical aspect of the projects. And then you have EUAC, which is the End User Advisory Committee, which is kind of unique from SODA. This is consists of the end users that give directions and requirement. And sometimes they also do POC testing, provide feedbacks to SODA. And then you have OC, Outreach Committee, where am I? So what we're doing, evangelism, and try to help to grow the community, by talk about organize events such like this, and also talk to companies that are interested in become a member. This kind of things we do. So put some face into the org chart. so you can see, there's people, it's hard to see very small fonts, but there are a lot of people coming from different companies. Some are end users, some are vendors. They're all over the place in the world. Most of them have a lot of experience in manage large amount of data. So for more detail, you can go to our website and find out who they are. So I think you probably saw this before earlier. Things we do at SODA, one very important is to develop open source based technology and make available for community to use, for public to use. There's a couple projects focus on multi-cloud, focus on Kubernetes data protection, and focusing on open source, OpenSDS. You can go to our website, find out more detail if you're interested. The other things we do is really try to build ecosystem, working with other projects. And the third thing we do is also do a lot of researchers, working with other organizations to kind of do some forward-looking kind of research, investigation, understand where the technology is going, where the trend is, make sure we're aligned with that. So Echo Project is a kind of marketing program that we know that we cannot, with our limited resources, it's not possible for us to develop technology by ourselves. So what we do is we partner with the other open source project, related open source project, like in data storage management. Currently, we have about 10 projects. We're talking to more other open source projects about joining this program. Right? And so if you're interested, definitely take a look at the website and learn more, and we can talk also afterwards. The other thing I mentioned, we do researchers. We're doing we did a data storage survey, partner with Linux Foundation Research and also SNIR, the largest storage association in the world. So we try to learn, the end users, the view, and also the trend of the related data storage. And this result is it's available on the website. You can check it out, available to public. There's some sample of the survey, finding, with a lot of graph, a lot of data, which is pretty interesting. So very importantly, for like any other open source project, we have a very strong kind of community, global community. There's just showing some picture. We started like back in 2019, before pandemic. We're already doing a lot of events globally, and you know, since then the community has been growing. You know, it's been difficult because over the pandemic we had to do virtual events like any other you know, projects. But now it's kind of, so some picture from past events, you know, all over the world, in Japan, India, Asia, China, everywhere. And this, we continue to do that since we recover from pandemic, meeting face-to-face. So there's a picture from some events this year. Like in Japan, we had a SODA Day Japan in June. And we have events also in India, you know, hosted by Pure Storage. And I also did an event in one of the universities in India as well. So, so SODA Foundation is basically, you know, it's an open source project. It's open to everyone. So if you find it's interesting, there are many ways you can engage with us. You can work with us. There's a benefit, a lot of benefit. You can, you know, really work closely with end users to understand their needs, and then they can also do test your solutions, and you can also contribute to the code and participate in events, things like that. And we're also looking for more SODA event ambassadors. And Bart is one of our ambassadors. And ambassador, we need SODA ambassador to help us to, you can either contribute to the project or you can help organize events or talk about SODA, things like that. So if you're interested, also let us know. Anyway, so it's a short introduction. Hopefully you find it interesting. And whether you're a developer or company interested to get involved, please you know, get in touch with us, or just talk to me after that. We can, you know, discuss in detail how you can be part of the SODA community. Thank you very much.